friends, lions, and everybody in between. Here we are. This is Monday, November 4th, 2019, and yeah, we do have to talk. In my Markets A Look Ahead segment just yesterday, I explained to you that I believe that there was nothing standing in the way of this market moving higher right now. This environment is unlike anything we've ever seen. No doubt about it. And right now, stocks are poised to open at a new record high. Stock futures are up more than triple digits right now. And crude oil is catching a bid, up almost 1%. Now, you understand, like I explained to you yesterday, how this was going to play out, and it looks like it's playing out that way right now. We're missing one element for this to be a perfect scenario for an extreme melt-up. What is that? The dollar. The dollar is about flat right now, fractionally higher. If they can manage to put some pressure on the dollar, stocks are going to skyrocket in a very short period of time. But again, look, even if the dollar still remains where it is or even gains, we have a Federal Reserve pumping hundreds upon hundreds of billions of dollars into the debt market. That alone is a near perfect scenario for stocks to go up. It's an incredible situation. And now with crude oil being bid higher, I mean, you almost can't, you couldn't pick a better spot right now to be long this market. There's no doubt about it. Anyway, this is it. This is where it's going to go until it doesn't. The stock market doesn't make sense. These valuations are stupid. We are in bubble territory with regard to the stock market being pulled higher on the back of a massive debt expansion, which I have explained to you was coming from, I don't even know how long ago. It's not going to stop. It's a concerted effort right now to inflate, and then inflate some more. This should tell you what's going on here. And then, of course, we're hearing more talk about how a deal with China is, imminent, right around the corner, tremendous, stupendous. I mean, you can't make it up. So with the jawboning, the calls for lower rates, a Fed that has gone hyper-nuclear, beyond nuclear, where would you expect stocks to go? Higher. Don't bet against this market. If you do, you're going to get killed. If you're a trader and you have an understanding of the distortions that exist, take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. Let them do whatever they got to do to gold, to silver, to cryptocurrencies as well. Let them play their game. We're going to continue to play ours. We will not lose. Period. The end. That's all. There's almost nothing else to say here. But again, let's just put this together real quick. Stock futures are up more than triple digits right now. The Federal Reserve is running the show along with the bought and paid for corporate government that we have that is going to fleece the people and the middle class beyond their wildest dreams. Beyond their wildest dreams. There's no doubt about it. The people of the United States and the people of the world, especially Europe and the United States, are being forced to subsidize a fake stock market to support the military-industrial complex, which is also running the world. And who's at the core of this? The banks are. The banks around the world, people. Remember, a trained monkey, a trained pony could be sitting in the White House crapping all over the Oval Office, and it would have the same effect as whoever is sitting in the pretty White House. Doesn't matter anymore. We have a bought and paid for government. The Fed is running the show along with the Fed is running the world along with the banks that support it, that are running it. Why? The dollar is still the world's reserve currency. You think this is by accident? You think this is all just happening because it's just one of those things? No, it's all by design. You know that. And knowing this is your strength. All right, with that said, I'm out of here. Got work to do pre-market. Please share this video. Get it out there. I love all of you so much. The truth. See you later.